What's going on, guys? We are underneath a Chevy 1500 pickup that is very rusty, and we're going to be undercoating it. So let's get all our stuff ready and get going. As you can see, this thing's pretty it's pretty bad, but and this tube's full. This tube's full of crap. Let's see if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see down that tube, but it's mostly full. So I'll blow that crap out and blow that one out before I spray in there, obviously. And the spare tire is I don't even know if I'm gonna spray this. This thing's trash. Tire's flat and the rims, I wouldn't trust this on a vehicle, so I'm not even gonna spray that. I recommended that she should just get a new one. You can see this paint on here, which is bad, but I'll get off what I can and we'll go from there. We're definitely gonna need those two. Man, I can't even get it all with this. That one turned out. That one wasn't bad at all. This one, I think I have my other spray gun. Let me get it. This is something I kind of made up. It should reach a little longer, and there's a lot more volume of air that flows through this thing. I think I got it. This one, you can see with this one I got it. This one, something hard is in the center there and it won't come out. I'm gonna try to get it from the other side. And whatever's in there is rock hard and does not want to come out. All right, guys, this thing's done. It was quite rusty. You know, there's no fooling anyone on that. But you know, this woman just wants to get another couple years out of this thing. Really, just another year. I told her at the end of the year you should get rid of it. When it comes time for inspection next year, gone. But you know what? This will help a little bit. Every little bit counts. So we're gonna get out of here, go to the next customer. If you guys are looking to get booked, snhmobileundercoat.com, or if you have any questions, you can message us there. See ya.